This is Chris from Fanatical Software. What I quickly wanted to show you is just how to add the Flash Reports add-in to Microsoft Excel. So here on the home section of Excel, what you do is you just navigate to the add-ins button on the right-hand side, and there you just click add-ins, get add-ins, and you navigate to the store area, and you just type in Flash Reports, press enter, and the selection becomes available. So there's Flash Reports, and you just click Add. Once you've added it, it'll take a second or two, and the Flash Reports add-in will appear over there. Then you just go to click Start. Just wait a second or two, and it'll authenticate. You click Login. When you click Login, you log in with your QuickBooks email address or logon ID. It will actually ask you to allow Flash Reports, to be able to connect. So then you just give that a couple of seconds. And then you connect your companies. So in my example over here, I've got multiple companies that I can connect to. So there you just choose which company you want to connect to, and you click Next. The first time you log in, you will actually receive an authentication message and saying, do you want Flash Reports to allow to connect to your QuickBooks instance? And you've just got to say yes. But once you've done that, you're up and running and ready to go.